Look at this. This and this. Why does this happen? This is the impact of our small habits. One of them is the massive use of paper. The more paper we use in our daily life, the more trees are cut down to make paper. Let's count how much paper or tissue we use every day. For drying sweat, cleaning dirt, drying hand after washing hands, and so on.
According to data from the canteen of Senior High School 6 South Sangran City, tissue sales in a day can run out of about 20 pack of tissue from 30 pack of stock per day. Meanwhile, paper sales in day can run out up to 2,000 out of 10,000 sheets of stock per day.
As we know, the basic material for tissue is wood, which comes from trees. One tree can produce 1,500 rolls of toilet tissue. Even though one tree can produce a lot of tissue, we have to understand that the uses of tissue itself are many. Of course, to meet tissue production needs, consumers will need thousands of trees cut down in a day. Worldwide Fund for Nature estimates 270,000 trees are cut down every day to produce tissue that ultimately ends up as trash.
On the other hand, according to data from Kementerian Lingkungan Hidup dan Kehutanan in 2020, Indonesia has produced 34.5 tons of trash every year, and 20% of that trash is paper. Meanwhile, as much as 43% of paper waste remains unmanaged.
If many trees are cut down to make tissue and paper, this will have an impact on the temperature on Earth. The ability of forests to absorb carbon dioxide will decrease, and the high concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere will cause the high temperature on Earth, which will disrupt the environmental balance in the Earth biosphere and causing global warming.
If we keep all these things up and stay ignored, what about our Earth? Will we stay to live with this devastating Earth temperature? It's time for us to take real action by starting from these small steps. So, what should we do? We must start applying the 3R principles of reuse, reduce, and recycle. First, reuse. Use handkerchief instead of tissues. With this, we will save more money. Reduce. Reduce the use of tissue and paper. With this action, we can reduce solid waste that eventually ends up in the trash bin. And then recycle. We can recycle paper into recycled paper. And we can also make craft that made from paper.